Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another remote episode of Beer Porn. Got my handy Lucy light here. Hopefully you can see me okay. If you don't know what a Lucy light is, it's inflatable and 100% solar light, and it's awesome. So today, on the way here to Lopez Lake, I picked up a Full Circle Brewing Company Illa Vanilla Milkshake IPA. 6.5% ABV. Color 2 out of 5 skulls. Malt 2 out of 5 skulls. Hops 4 out of 5 skulls. Full Circle is from Fresno. Beer, #beertainment. India Pale Ale brewed with vanilla and lactose. Let's see what we got. Disappointed. It took me 2 matches to light this thing. Losing my touch. It means I'm not camping nearly enough. I don't have a fancy beer glass, sorry. Smells like beer. It's hoppy, fruitier than I'd expect for a Milkshake IPA. Very light mouthfeel. Don't know where to put my hand because my lantern's there. Don't know if you can even see the thing, the label. See? And for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, you're welcome. Real small hint of lactose, but a tiny hint of vanilla, which probably makes it taste lighter. A lot of tropical fruits, a lot more tropical fruits than vanilla or lactose to me. I like it. It's a hoppy IPA without the bitterness because of the vanilla and the lactose, I think. And sometimes lactose leaves a funny aftertaste, and I'm not getting it. So everything's really well balanced. Very good. Who was it again? Full Circle Brewing Illa Vanilla Milkshake IPA. It's a thumbs up. That's what we've got. Out of 5, I'll probably give it a 3 3/4, maybe 4. I think it's getting up in the 4 territory. Sorry, I can't show you the color and go on about its viscosity and blah blah blah. Color and foaminess, and it's a hoppy brew without being overly bitter. So thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day and a great night, and cheers.